Like I want to cough, I want to clear my throat.
It's not hot like hot peppers, but it's got like that feeling like you're reacting to it almost like a hot pepper a little bit. Like a whoo. Yeah.
Yeah, like I want to cough when I have it. Sorry. So I'm told, at least by this guy in the mountain in Nepal, don't drink any water. He's
Why?
like, you're just going to want to drink more and more water. And look, I don't know if this is like a redneck, like mountain bro speak, bro
Right.
science. But he said, if you, sorry. Yeah, I'm feeling it. At least here in my throat, I'm feeling it.
How did your brother feel after it was all over?
So this guy said, if you drink water, you're just going to want to keep drinking more and more water, and you'll never stop drinking water, and it'll make you more sick.